Hello friends, today we'll see ChatStats app. It is one of the fabulous app which is used to analyze the WhatsApp chats, especially on the group. But remember, it is without media. What we need to do, we need to go on Play Store, search ChatStats. Once you search this, you can able to work out on this particular word, that is ChatStats. Once you download this, you have to open, and once open you need to observe the instructions given here, that is this one, this one and this one. I'll let you know what is it. This is ultimately all about you can able to use export chat, one of the option as a WhatsApp. I'll give you hands-on session of this, how to analyze the chat. Always remember, this is free, without ads, does not require any permission, does not connect to the internet, does not access to device data. So wonderful app that I can say. And this is also one of the video demo that you can use for this, and these are the helps and instructions which are available. So let's move how to use this particular chat. So what you need to do, you need to first open your WhatsApp. So simply open your WhatsApp and open any of the chats. Suppose these are the chats that I'm observing. This is one of the group, let's say CSI friends. What you need to do, you need to simply click on this three dots which is available here. You need to click on this three dots which is available here. Click on that option and then click on more option. Once you click on more option, you will get an option like export chart. So what you need to do, simply click on that export chart and you need to choose the without media as an option. So click on that. Once you click on that, it will ask you, it will create your backup file in the text form, and that backup file can be directly given to this particular app. I'll simply showing you that. See that it has created that backup file, and see that this chat stat, this is available here. So what you can do, you can simply give that input to this chat option. So click on this. Once you click on this, your analysis will be ready. It takes some time, and see that the entire fabulous analysis will be in front of you. What you can do with this, you can see this particular part, that this is what the analysis of CSI friends. So the name of group, then it will give you from which date to which date, then it will give you the entire statistics, and then you can see the entire analysis with this. So very fabulous analysis. And once you have this analysis with you, and if you would like to share this analysis with anyone, what you need to do is simply click on these three dots. When you click on these three dots, simply click on that and simply say share statistics. What you need to do, you need to simply select this share statistics. So click on that share statistics and share wherever you want. So this is the beauty of this particular app. Thank you all.